Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Quant is moving higher in line with expectations. We talked about it yesterday, that this was probably only a wave 4 low here in circle 4, and that we are moving higher next in wave 5. We were about to break resistance. I gave you a couple of levels which were important in terms of a breakout. The first level here was sort of this 100 and now we go to the 1 hour chart. It was here the $159 level. That was broken, confirmed already a move up. I think when I made the video yesterday, we were just about to move higher, and the real breakout level was then the 163.44 level. We are now already at 167, and the next resistance area I'm looking at is here of this channel. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple of ways how this channel can be drawn, but if I do it like that, I think it's probably the most accurate one. And that would mean if we go higher, yeah, we'll probably find resistance at the channel high at around $173. So that would be a possible target here for a move to the upside, but really it can stretch out to $188, $190 in this green target range for this wave 5. Yeah. Overall, we can now also measure. We can measure a possible target. Now that we know the wave 4 was in here, we can take the length of the wave 1 down here, we add it to the low of the wave 4, and it would give us a key target, yeah, which is the 1.618 extension, which is $179. I'm going to mark that now here on the chart. $179. That is the 1.618 extension of wave 1 projected out into wave 5. That is one of the key targets here. The first one would have been the 1-to-1 ratio, $164, but that wouldn't have given us a clear wave 5 because it would have been the same high as wave 3 here a few days ago. So this is going ahead, following expectations at the moment. I'm of the view at the moment that the next high should be the last one here, and that we might get exhausted because we are now on the 1 hour time frame in the overbought range. By the way, it doesn't mean we have to get to $179, yeah? It doesn't mean we have to get there. It's just the ideal target. The wave 5 is basically in. It's confirmed, yeah? We've made it above the wave 3 high. That's basically the entire, or that's basically the requirement for a wave 5. We've made it above the wave 3 high. Now on the 4 hour, we're not yet in the overbought range, but I can tell you if we push higher, this might give us a bearish divergence here, and then we might follow. That might be followed by a move down. 8 hour, not yet overbought, but you already see already that we can get a bearish divergence here. We already have one, and another high. Another high might just give us another lower, another high on the price. Yeah, might give us just another lower high on the RSI. So for me, it's here just to wait a little bit. On the daily, by the way, we pushed even higher in overbought. It might be just to wait for me if I'm not invested yet. Yeah, I'm waiting here for the dip in the wave 2, because Quant is not going to go to the moon without any retracements. This just does not happen. It just doesn't. You know, if one thing is guaranteed in these markets is that there will always be new entry points and there will always be retracements. Now we're now even overbought on the 4 hour chart. 4-day chart. I mean, that is quite significant. So honestly, I think we are going to come down here fairly soon, but we can still short-term push a bit higher. I think that's sort of my best assessment of this. And I think the next time we drop out of this channel, that would be a very strong indication that we are eventually heading down. Now, as the price is pushing higher, also the target for wave 2 is moving higher. And I'm just going to redefine it based on the latest high. So the target has now shifted to $104 to $127. So I plan to buy in this area. That also tells you how low I would expect Quant to go down in this current, in the next retracement. Yeah, ideally it should not go down further than $104. If it does, it will make a breakout to the upside less likely. Down here, yeah, in this support area, Quant only retraced to the 50% fib retracement, and that would have been now, if that happened now, it would be the 127, 128 US dollar level. Okay, and that is my update about Quant. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, if you really like the content, also check out the channel membership, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content on there that you won't find here on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.